Kelvin Momo's ex-girlfriend Manessa Kali catches fire once more. Hi YouTube family, welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But if you are new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. You batadibomkosi ayibandla umzansi nginithulela isiqhoko because why? But we'll go see what a very interesting and a lovely weekend we had. So Kelvin Momo no Baba they had their Red Bull Symphonic from Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And to tell you one thing, that event was nothing but perfection. But they nailed that event to the core. Well, from Friday and Saturday, but Ubabalo and Kelvin Momo, they were trying to show us something, a stage, but they could not proceed any further. Well, we saw what they were trying to do, but remember that earlier last year, a rumor broke out that Kelvin Momo and Babalo, they've broken up and their fans were fuming. But they could not accept that reality until Kelvin Momo, his then a girlfriend Umenisa Akadli, which people were of course shocked. And then baby girlie, December of 2024, she posted another video online celebrating that she's going to 2025 with a man allegedly that she met. And then people assume that she was of course speaking of Kelvin Momo. Hey, Sana. So during this event, Kelvin Momo and Babala, they shared a beautiful romantic kiss, which made their fans super excited and happy for them because it shows how they are in love. Imagine they shared a kiss when Babala was singing Tumeli Nkomo Zama Lobolo Kukikize. And then what followed? It was nothing but romance. And then people assumed we were waiting for Kelvin Momo to actually propose to Babala. But well, that did not happen. But yes, people still celebrated that kiss there on the stage. And we asked again, because now people are busy dragging Kelvin Momo's ex-girlfriend Umanesa Kandi, stating that wherever she is fuming and crying because what was she trying to do? Allegedly ngokutela istina ku relationship yengane. Aisha Mzansi mina ngazi angikhonje nokunimela. But please do leave your comments down below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Catch you on my next one. Thank you for watching. Hayi bandla sababongisa bona shami couple ye country. Bye.